Boeing 737-700. A safety information card is in the seat back or literature pocket in front of you. To fasten your seatbelt, slide the flat end into the buckle. Pull the loose strap to tighten. To release, lift up on the buckle. Position your seatbelt tight and low across your hips and wear it any time that you are seated. There are 6 emergency exits, 2 forward exit doors, 2 overwing window exits, and 2 exit doors in the back. Signs overhead and lights on the floor lead to exits. If an evacuation is necessary, follow flight attendant commands and leave everything. In the event of a water evacuation, use the life vest under your seat. Remove the vest only if told to do so. Pull the red strap to open the container and remove the pouch. Remove the vest from the pouch as shown on the safety information card. Place the vest over your head, wrap the strap around your waist, buckle it in the front and pull to tighten. Once outside, pull down on the red tab to inflate the vest. To manually inflate, blow into the tube at your shoulder. Your vest has a light that turns on automatically in the water. Please refer to the safety information card for use of a life vest on an infant. Flight attendants will distribute additional vests if needed. We are coming by to check that your seatbelts are fastened, your seat back and tray table are in the full upright and locked position, and your carry-on items are completely under the seat in front of you or in an overhead bin, leaving the area around your feet clear. Smoking is not allowed on board, including the lavatories. The use and charging of electronic cigarettes is prohibited. Federal law prohibits the tampering with, disabling, or destroying of any smoke detector in an aircraft lavatory. It is also prohibited to consume any alcohol that you have brought with you today. Federal aviation regulations require passenger compliance with the lighted passenger information signs, posted placards, and crew member instructions, including information on seat belts and smoking. And finally, if needed, 4 oxygen masks will drop from a compartment overhead. To activate the flow of oxygen, pull down on the mask until the plastic tubing is fully extended. Place the mask over your nose and mouth and breathe normally. Secure the mask with the elastic strap. Although oxygen will be flowing, the plastic bag may not inflate. Continue wearing the mask until otherwise notified by a crew member. If traveling with children or anyone needing special assistance, put on your mask first. Please remove any face covering before donning an oxygen mask. We are here for your comfort and safety. Please report any unwelcome behavior to a flight attendant. Now sit back, relax, and enjoy your 40-minute flight to San Antonio. Welcome aboard. If you need additional reading lighting, press the button above your head with the image of a light bulb on it. for departure. Make sure those seatbelts are fastened. Enjoy your flight. you must remain in airplane mode for the duration of the flight. Please be advised that the fasten seatbelt sign is still on, so please remain seated with those seatbelts fastened. In just a few moments, we'll be coming through to take your drink orders. We'll be serving complimentary soft drinks, juice and coffee. Beer, wine and liquor are also available for purchase or with a valid drink coupon. Please use the beverage menu in your seatbelt pockets or go to the Southwest beverage menu on our in-flight entertainment portal, southwestwifi.com, and point to the image of your choice to help us take your order. Please be mindful of the flight attendant serving you in the aisle and remain seated while the fasten seatbelt sign is on. There are 2 lavatories on board, 1 lavatory in the front of the aircraft and 1 lavatory in the back. Signs on the ceiling indicate whether the lavatory is occupied. Please do not form a line at the forward lavatory. Your safety will always be our #1 priority, so please don't hesitate to let us know of any other needs that we can take care of for you.